Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. Today we are going to unbox and install a coffee table. It's a Bluewud company's coffee table, and let's see how the unboxing goes, and then how we'll be able to install it. So let's get started. So these are all the ingredients of the package, and this is the packing list. It shows everything which is included in the package, and it says it is recommended by two person to install it, and max weight it can take is 40, approximately 30 minutes it will take, and tools required are screwdriver and a hammer. So there is an assembled view and a blown up view of the instructions on how to install it. So let's go ahead and start installing it. These are all the screws and everything that is included in the package. We'll open it and see what it is. This, I think, is the base. It has 4 plastic pieces. I'll show you close up. And these are 2 boards numbered 3. This is a board number 2, board number 2. This is board number 1, and this is board number 4. So now let's start installing everything on this table itself. So these are the screws and everything that is included. There's some wooden dowels, some screws, some different screws, some small screws, some stickers, tapes to hide the screws, I think, and these are the package list, whatever is included. 30 minutes, 2 people, 40 kg max, screwdriver, hammer needed. This is the complete view of the table, the assembled view. This is the blown up view. These are the steps on how to assemble it. So total 5 steps. So let's time lapse now and start building it up. Connected, you see there are these holes where you have to put this kind of screw. See this? So how does it go in is, you put it here. Okay, it goes in. Similarly, put the other one in. It goes in. Then you have to take a screwdriver and tighten it up. See, that is how it gets connected. It is already quite tight compared to the one which are not connected by screws. So I will just go ahead and connect everything like that. Okay, so we have completed this step completely, Now we have to do the 3rd step, the 4th step, and the 5th step. So to do the 3rd step, now I will need this board number 4 that I will be putting on top of the whole setup like this. Okay, let's get to that. Okay, so before putting board number 4, we have to put this wooden dowels into holes here on top. Like this. One. Yeah, so after doing this step, now we can put the wooden board number 4 on top there, and then we can connect the screws. Let's do that. Okay, so we have kept the board number 4 on top, but we have to use the hammer somewhat to put these things in, because it's not sliding in itself. So we just have to align it a bit, and once it goes in, if you have a rubber mallet, that will be more helpful. I don't have it, so I'm just using a hammer to put it in easily. And the last one here. That's it. Now we can put the screws in. Okay, so first we are going to use this big ones to hold the board number 4 in, and then we are going to use the small ones to hold this base holders in. Okay, that will do later. First let's do the big screws. Okay, I've put all, drill it. Don't tighten the screws completely unless all of them are in, otherwise it may be an improper alignment. Okay, now I'm using a screwdriver to tighten up the screws. Okay, there is all the screws are now connected, and now it's time to connect the legs. You can check it at this point, none of them is moving, shaking, and you can connect the, or you can check the gaps if there are any. Like, see here, there is no gap. Here there is no gap, but here I can see a small gap. It's not visible due to the light, but there is a small gap that I will need to put that screw in a bit more. But let's go to the legs for now. Now we are at the last step of putting the legs in. See, how do we do that? 2 screws in each leg, and that is fine. We just have to align the leg to the base here. Okay, I have removed that gap. I have tightened the screw and removed that gap. Now let's connect the base. Okay, so this is the base. These are 2 screws where we have to put it, and there are some small holes here, see, where we can put the screws. So what we have to do is align this base here, okay, and put these small screws. So let's put this in. I'll put the screws here itself. And I can directly put this in here. Okay, then I can screw it. Again, don't tighten both the screws together, or one of the screws rather. Make sure first both the screws goes in, and then tighten it up together. We just have to do this 4 more times. Okay guys, so I have connected all these 4 base stands. Okay, and now let's flip the table over and see how it looks. So lastly we can put the stickers in. There are 2 sets of the stickers. I have already removed one of them, and let me show you how to put this. Oh, here it is. Okay, you just have to put it over there and it hides the screw like that. Thank you for watching the video guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you liked it, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.